Hi everyone, I received this portable dryer as a gift. Let's start opening the box, show what it is included, and then show it to you in action. So you get a user manual, a Velcro strap, some kind of holder, a bag for dryer, it's like a small bag for drying, the dryer itself. It plugs into 110 outlet. The hose is expendable. This nozzle, it depends what kind of clothes you'll be drying or what kind of bag you'll be using, is removable. It's twist open. And you can put this smaller bag to dry like smaller clothes. Let's turn it on. You can hang it somewhere, even like on a tree. You can adjust the setting from low to high. You can turn the light on inside. So it's got a zipper on the side. Put your clothes in there. It's got like a small mesh on the bottom. Keeps your clothes away from the bottom, so it doesn't lay all the way on the bottom. You can put like swimming shirts in there and stuff to get dry, or like small shoes. You also get a large bag, and for this bigger drying bag, you can hang it somewhere. An actual dryer, there's a hole on the bottom that it connects to. Turn it on. 3 pieces of clothes on the coat hanger. You can hang them on top of that coat hanger that's holding everything. It's going to inflate and dry your clothes. Keep circulation of hot air inside. And due to its small compact size and material is very light, it can be folded and easily put in a suitcase for traveling. It also can be used for drying shoes. If you're out somewhere in the snow and your shoes get wet, or you like snowboarding, you can just do that, turn it on. In a couple hours your shoes will be dry and warm.